The first step of any form of energy optimization is precise measurement. EMU developed the world's first digital energy meters for this purpose over 25 years ago. If you would like to know how, when and how much energy is consumed in your company, itemized by department, for each machine or manufactured product, then EMU offers the perfect solution for you. From energy meters and data loggers to automated evaluation and monitoring. The MID-approved EMU energy meters are suitable for energy management in accordance with ISO 50001 and for private consumption communities. Modern readout interfaces enable easy connection to higher-level evaluation systems. The multifunction data loggers collect measurements relating to electricity, heat, water and compressed air. The automated meter readout guarantees error-free, continuous data capture for subsequent analysis and billing. All measurements are transferred to the higher-level energy management software JulioWeb in encrypted form. With JulioWeb, you can monitor energy consumption and compile key figures, individual evaluations and bills at the push of a button. JulioWeb is ISO 50001 certified and scalable to global sites with thousands of meters. When will you identify your saving potential? EMU Electronic, your partner for cross-site, cross-media energy management.